slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last. Hadouken!
Hey, wait up! We gotta swap insurance info!
I'm out of here! You know how to drive?
Oh, you fucking idiot.
Dumb motherfucker.
Oh, you're not. Really? Really?
You fuckwit!
More than the common flu. Well, that's not true, is it?
I don't believe so. I wonder what metric he's using.
Mom, you were
recording it wouldn't pan out, whatever.
Yeah, so...
Say the death rate is the same, maybe the transmissibility is not. Or, you know, like,
right.
I don't think we've got apples and oranges here.
Right. Yeah, you might be saying, like, per person who actually contracts it and gets very sick, or you might be saying...
Turn left on Micah Street. In 2.8 kilometers.
Just hook up to 648, just and I've got to find out. 648.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
Sure you can!
I put that shit on, I be getting from these owners, I be fly as hell. I get rolled up for back paid out there, it's hard to tell. I'm like different bitches out the hang, I got this spot to chill. Ain't gon' lie, no way this ain't last.
fucking blinker, mate. Oh, you're kidding me. Fucking hell.
But it's still Rose had me feeling sorta like a dawn the whole day. So many look good, I don't know what I want. If I could, I'd take them all, daddy. I won't some. I'll tell you what I do though.
When I was young, Mr. Authorise, man, that was enough. Then we grew up, started to
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
I can't hear you.
Wait. Mate,
I really don't give a fuck, mate.
pull over. Hey, you want to cut people up like that? You gotta get
Cut
fucking
people
run
up.
the fuck
You
over.
went into the right lane, you dumb shit.
Turning and then you come up the
And you
inside.
crossed the stop line at the red light.
Pull over. Let's sort this out.
You can
Pull the
eat a
fuck
dick.
Fuck over,
This
let's
coming
sort
from
this out.
you.
Over, let's sort
You're
this
a hypocrite.
over, let's
You're
sort
nothing
this
but
out.
a hypocrite.
Be a big man. Pull over. You want to cut people up and shit, mate?
Check out Scott's cams. I'm going to make you f***ing famous.
Good work, mate. Good fucking work. Don't cut people up when they're turning, mate. Stupid.
You
Gotta
couldn't
be a
turn that
fucking
tight
hero.
anyway with that heap of shit.
Oh, now you're bagging out people's cars, mate. Oh,
Well, you're the one
fucking-
sitting there making out like you're better than everybody else, and
Yeah,
you're doing the
I'm
wrong
telling
shit
you
as
not
well.
Mate, that's fucking
Grow the f*** up, you child.
Mate, I made pull over.
Make you my bitch. You don't even know what it means, child. That hurts me so much.
What the fuck?
We grabbed some soft drink or something, like, because at least we could have just gone back to the car and grabbed it, you know? Yeah. Bro! On your brother!
Fucking hell. And the Bureau of Meteorology, it's a long word, isn't it?
weather's going to continue until Friday.
Fucking totally,
New
dickhead.
South Wales, Queensland and Victoria is going to get wet weather with up to 300 millimetres of
time hiring from every Tom, Dick and Harry. Go straight to Brooks Hire. Call 1300 Brooks or go to brookshire.com.au.
He's going straight.
Searching for great. But other things are in your control, like how much you pay for health insurance. At Compare the Market, we recently found 61% of people feel they're paying too much for health insurance, yet do nothing about it. Take charge. The experts at Compare the Market can help you look for the right cover.
I know of other Tobys, Dad, and I was very confused.
Do you?
Yeah.
No more than one Toby. Look at that, you turn at fucking traffic lights.
You are the biggest piece of shit. I hope you burn in hell.
So head to getrecyclingrich.com.au to find out how you could get recycling rich.
Oh, you fucking
See website for T's and C's.
So what does he want? A new one?
No fucking clue what he wants. I just told him to send clearer pictures and I'll escalate it from that end.
Fucking bag.
You're right there? Far out. You can see me and still come in. And then slow down. Oh my god.
You shit.